In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the starting page of the GOG app so it opens exactly where you want every time. Whether you prefer the Discover page, your recent page, or your owned games library, this is a quick setting that can make the app feel a lot more personalized and easier to use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the GOG app on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand menu and click the cog icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you can adjust a lot of the app's behavior and preferences. After clicking the cog icon, select Settings from the menu. That will open the settings window where you'll see different tabs on the left side. Make sure you're in the General tab. This is important because the Startup page option is located here, and if you're in a different tab, you may not see it right away. Now scroll down through the general settings until you find the option labeled Starting Page. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down box. Click that drop-down and you'll see several available choices. Depending on what you want, you can set the app to open on the Discover page, the Recent page, your owned game section, or any other available starting page listed there. Choose the one that fits your workflow best. For example, if you like browsing new games and updates first, the Discover page is a great choice. If you usually jump back into games you've recently used, the Recent page might be better. And if you want direct access to your full library, Owned Games is probably the most convenient option. Once you've selected your preferred starting page, the settings should save automatically. There's usually no extra step needed, so you can simply close the settings window and return to the app. To confirm it worked, restart the GOG app and check whether it opens to the page you selected. If it does, then you're all set. As you can see, changing the starting page in the GOG app only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you get to the content you use most. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.